Bunston. Stop eating your bed. It's not good. Scutley, tell him not to do that. Hey. Curious. Scutley's investigating the camera. Oh, and here comes Bunsen. Bunsen wants to find out what this is. Yeah, look, there's a good sniff. Oh, there's a giant rabbit nose. What's that? No, don't lick the camera. You've made the camera all licky now.
Oh, egg box. Egg box. Egg box. Yes, good egg box section.
You love that camera, don't you? And the camera loves you. I think you guys have